walk with a brother. It's a great day in the morning. I just got a small jewel that I'm about to hit you off with. Finding a place of peace and being happy, man, that's priceless. Especially when you've struggled a long time. And you've had more than your share of your trials and your issues and your tribulations and your heartbreaks. You've been through it. And you're finally able to get out of that, man. You know, through a period of time, you did a few things. You made a few sacrifices. The most important thing you did was you made a conscious choice that I'm going to be happy. And I will no longer subject myself to a life that is less than or is lacking love, encouragement, prosperity, and peace. I'm about to tell you some cold-blooded shit. And the reason I'm telling you that it's cold is a lot of times when we get through certain things, and I can tell you for myself, and especially looking at the fact that, you know, I'm an MC, I'm a writer, I'm a speaker. So I make these videos for me, number one, but I'm also trying to help other people. You know, you're going to have to understand that you can't save everybody. And you ain't supposed to save everybody. It ain't designed for you to save everybody. You've saved yourself, and that's quite a bit. Share. Share what you have with the world so they can learn about your story and be inspired by it. But you don't need to be sitting up under nobody, especially when you fresh out of hell. Like, you can still smell the smoke in your clothes. You so close to being out of hell. It is not your business to be sitting up under nobody and listening to their life of trials, tribulations, and negativity, because you're not strong enough at this point to be able to compartmentalize that and get yourself in a point where you can give great advice while enduring all of their bad energy. You got to think about that kind of stuff. You understand? You don't owe nobody for your own peace. Give yourself some distance. Write about it, make videos, but don't be up under nobody in their energy, because that is a way to drag you back down into the situation that you just got yourself out of. You understand? Don't feel guilty about it. Don't feel bad about it. Just live your life. Do whatever you can from a distance to help people. But when it comes to want to counsel somebody one-on-one, and you want to listen to all these, like, as soon as somebody starts talking to you and you feel a shift in your energy, that means you need to get away from them. You need to get away from them, because over time, it pecks at you and pecks at your spirit. And if you haven't given yourself enough time to just be in your own brand new peace, it's going to hurt you in the long run. So just stay out the way. Peace.